The Nongkrem Youth Development Association had celebrated 32 years of its existence at a function that was held at the Youth Cultural Centre cum Community Hall at Ïewpyrsing, Nongkrem on the 21st of July 2022. The chief guest on the occasion was Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Isawanda Laloo. Others present included members of the association, representatives of the dorbar shnong Nongkrem, school students, residents of the village, besides others. During the function, achievement awards were also presented to students for their academic excellence for the year 2022. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Isawanda Laloo lauded the efforts of the Nongkrem Youth Development Association for its services to the society through various programs directed towards the welfare and well-being of students and the youth of Nongkrem village. She also extended her best wishes to the members of the association in their endeavor to serve their community in particular and the society as a whole.
Mas mutusyay ba nagising ka dito? Ay, nagising ka ba? Lapaw na, kumag-trace ito ha. Ba't kumalaong na iba, nung blimanen, nagising ka ba doon ka-jingmut? Na nagising ka ba doon ka-op-in ba ka-objective? O nagising ka ba? Ganda doon ng constitution, na siya din, tama ka naman na natin. Kadon ko ba ka-adage mo? Jingkren at kinparay ka ba? Deeds, not words.